So with a vacuum degreaser, it gives us a lot of advantages to clean. One of the big advantages, we operate under vacuum. So when we go to wash your parts, there is no air gaps or pockets that could be allowing cleaning solution not to get into complex cavities of the part. With the iFP machine operated under vacuum, it gives you that flexibility to be able to spray, full submersion, vapor degrease, and also do vacuum drying. All these are very important when we're trying to hit cleaning spec. Okay, so here we are in the back of the iFP machine. We're gonna talk about what the advantages are of vaporization. It's very good for the final clean of the part. It's truly the final degrease of the part. So any cleanliness spec that you're looking at, hydrocarbon levels, or maybe you have an O2 cleaning spec for oxygen gas service that you're trying to hit, vaporization is very effective at doing that final degrease of the part. So big advantage with an iFP machine is our ability to separate our waste contaminant. In an iFP machine, you have virtually zero waste stream, okay? Even the oil that is discharged out of our machine we have some customers that are actually reusing the oil right out of the machine. The other really big advantage to the iFP machine, it is one of the lowest solvent consumption machines on the market. We barely use any solvent in our machines, and it's because of the way we manage our oil separator. This tank is extremely efficient at doing the final separation of the solvent and the oil. Typically, if I drain 5 gallons of oil out of the machine, only 1 to 3% of that 5 gallons would be a solvent loss. Huge advantage for vacuum degreasing here. For the iFP machine, we utilize the technology of vacuum. So we have 2 pumps right here, and we drop the vacuum even lower with inside the washing chamber, that the point that we were evaporating the solvent at becomes even lower. When we pull that absolute vacuum, we now are going to be evaporating that solvent at about 50 or 60 Celsius. Don't quote me on the exact temperature it is, but it's a much lower temperature. And what we do is we pull all that solvent gas and vapor form, because we're evaporating the solvent off your parts, up through our condenser. So the goal of vacuum drying, one, you get very dry parts. Even you can have a huge load of baskets and we can dry the parts in about 120 to 180 seconds. But on top of that, any of the solvent residue that was on your parts is not being thrown away. It's not being lost. It's being completely reclaimed and put back into your system.